Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable token on XcelPay Wallet. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open XcelPay Wallet application and log into your wallet by entering your PIN. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the Wallet tab at the bottom left. All of the assets that you've added or the tokens that you've added or enabled will be displayed in the dashboard. If you want to enable a certain token, go ahead and tap on this menu icon right next to My Assets at the top right, and then in the Manage Assets tab, go ahead and search for the token you would like to add or enable. Simply go ahead and find the token and toggle on the button right next to it in order to enable it and add it on your wallet. Once you do that, you will be able to enable token on XcelPay. Also, you can use the search bar at the top and type in the name of the token you would like to enable, and once you find it in the search result, toggle on the button right next to it and add it on your dashboard. If you want to manually add a token, simply tap on the Add Custom Token option and enter the contract address for the network that you've chosen. Once you enter the contract address for the particular token, tap on Add Token at the bottom and you will be able to enable a token on XcelPay manually as well. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.